after the car not wanting to start because I left the hazard lights on like maybe 2 days ago. Took me a while, but give away. Just afuera, way.
Alright, I'll go up there now.
Bye. I went to get something for Mata. He loves this nasty thing. I'm all like, hey, do you want coffee? He's like, no, I don't. I treat my body like a temple, but he loves Red Bulls. Well, it's gross. Anyways, I like Monsters, so not like it's any better. We're at Mata's shop now. So he has his exhaust from like, shoot, like 3 months ago. So, yeah, should be it. There's a lot of things I need to fix on Jackie. That window, there's an opening because the guider, I don't know if that's the right name, it's crooked, so the window goes sideways, and then there's like a gasket that also goes on the window. That one I think I took off by accident. The AC goes on and off here and there. The compressor, I don't know, maybe the compressor that's acting up. Right now it's working. You know how those cars are when they're next to a mechanic. All the noises, all the problems go away, and as soon as you leave away, it's like all of a sudden they come back. So I'm gonna be checking on the left side. When I'm cruising down, especially when I have the AC on, there's like a feeling, like a rattle noise. I don't know, not a rattle noise, but a feeling. It's weird how to explain it. It only comes from the left side, so I don't know if something's loose. So I'm gonna check that out when we jack up the car. The radio stopped working a while back. There's some wiring issues, but we're not gonna tackle none of that today. We're just gonna tackle the mid pipe, just because that drone and that loudness. I never really like loud cars, except if they're tastefully loud, if that makes sense. Which some of the people that I've interviewed have tasteful, loud cars. Some are just, I wouldn't be able to do that on the daily. But anyways, that's the plan for today. So let's take. Damn, Mata definitely stepped up. This place looks immaculate. The AC going on. Sass. So today we're gonna be swapping this H. Nah.
No, that's off right now.
No H for me, fool. K or nothing. No soy pobre, güey. Did you hear me? That's the only downside, man. That's one of the big kiddos. He has like 5 other ones I gotta be watching out for. Is this for the black one?
Yeah.
So sick.
I already turned it off.
It works?
Yeah, it turned on and everything.
Oh, nice. It's not built, right?
The head is.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. So clean. You went with rye wire?
Yeah.
Wow.
Mill stick and everything.
Super clean way. Ooh. Wow. That's fancy. That starts adding up.
Yeah.
How you been, way?
Good.
Why are you sweating already? It's barely what time is it?
We're in the best city.
It's 8:57 way. Why are you sweaty?
We're in the best city.
Dude, your shop looks crazy.
It's a little garage.
No manches, way. I really like it. Something that he's been working on for a bit. So this is so cool, man. I'm so happy for him. Lights, everything is perfect in this spot right here. Jackie looks so nice. So there's the exhaust, and should be pretty straightforward for him. Dude, I'm so jelly of his spot. I wish I had a place like this. I told him, so as you guys know, I'm still in the search for a place for my own, and I told him, like, if I find a spot that has a decent space in the back, I'm gonna hire him to put up this tent. When he bought them, he said it was recently priced. Now they went up as everything else, so I would hire him to do pretty much the tent, lighting. I don't know, I don't think he did the concrete himself, but I mean, if I had to outsource that to somebody else, that's no problem. But yeah, this is perfect. Super cool. Obviously he's working on a whole bunch of other stuff. Such a gearhead. I'm so excited for him. It's cool. What is this? Half a caliper for what? Oh, yeah, look bigger than the Acura. Another Prelude stuff. Super rad. Well. You think it's gonna be big enough for the turbo?
Yeah. Super.
I make my own life changes, not the one in the office. I'm all sweaty because I actually worked on my car today. I put a front license plate. While Mata's here, dude, I could have done the swap myself already, and you couldn't even do an exhaust. Come on. We're discussing haircut prices. I won't go into detail, but here in America, it seems like it's now an art form, right? It's not a haircut, it's an art form.
Yeah.
And I cut my own hair. So
It's an art.
that's why there's no nice blending. I cut my own hair, but man, Mata was giving me some schooling on how much prices are going for, and it's insane. I don't. If anybody cuts hair out there, I understand. Like, it has to go up because it's an art form, and because you have to survive. But yeah, kudos to you guys who pay X amount for a haircut. I don't.
I tapped out at 35.
You that's it. 35 would be.
I think that would be like at most.
So I'm gonna share that with my wife because I get my haircuts, and I mean, I got a clipper a long time ago for I think 120, and I cut my own hair every 2 weeks. So if every haircut's at least 20-30 bucks.
I stopped cutting my hair every week. Now it's every month.
Now it's every month.
Every month. Yeah.
Well, yeah, but you're spending X amount. Like, you just can't justify every freaking 2 weeks.
Every 2 weeks. It used to be every 2 weeks, but I'm like,
I don't know, man.
too much already.
I'm super cheap. This dude legit did all the work and I'm sweating. Where's the leak? Where's the leak coming from, fool?
Right here.
You're just charging me for new parts when there's no leak. Where's the leak?
Right. Look.
Where would it leak from?
Right here.
I don't see it.
You don't see it?
No.
You don't?
He got mad about the charging part. I don't see it. Legit, it has the same holes on this side.
See, wait.
And that means I'm not gonna have like my cool ass exhaust sound.
Have your cool ass on, bro. I'm not gonna get her ass like nothing.
If anybody's wondering, he ordered this one from Rock Auto, and now they're up in price,
Yeah.
like everything else. But yeah, this is OEM, but that way. I think I don't
Yeah.
think I mess with. I don't think we've ever messed with exhaust, right? Okay.
Because it has all of the like
Little
reinforcements,
plastic
yeah.
shit. Oh, okay.
Not plastic, they're metal. They're plastic, they're metal.
Yeah, so it should be OEM. I don't remember messing with that at all. So since the car was worn, you trying to take out the gasket?
Yeah, I think we're gonna buy a new one.
Holy shitness!
It's all rusted up.
From Vatazone or what?
Yeah.
I'm so down, dude, because I need to get food in my system. For that reason.
Yeah. Right now.
Ay, güey, me asusté ese pinche gato.
Right now, too, it's
Ah, hate leather. See, this is the reason why last time we were discussing that I hate leather, because when it gets hot, well, we get to ride on the. I mean, you get over it. Oh my God, yes, it's been a long time since I've been in a leather car.
Don't tell me now, AC. There it is.
What the heck?
It's because on these they have like problems where.
Last time I hit the car on Jackie, I got so pissed. Le pegué, and it started working.
Oh yeah.
So I told my wife, I was like, see, I hit it because, you know, it works. I started hitting it, and she's like, I don't think that's how it works. But
No, it's because sometimes right here, it has connectors in the solder brakes, and that's why it doesn't want to work anymore.
see, this is what I don't like the leather with hot days like this. My cloud seats are like perfect.
That's why I want to get like another seat on these ones because dude, it's hot.
Yeah. It's too hot.
And then like the AC on the Prelude is good, but when it's really hot,
It doesn't work as
It's
well. Yeah,
trash.
I know. People laugh because I'm like, oh, when the day is like cloudy or cold, like it works nice. They're like, well, no reason, like you need it on the hot days, but it's like,
Yeah, you have to. But the most when it's hot.
yeah, but we need to understand like it is an older car.
Yeah, and the thing is, it's cold from here, but when it reaches you, it's already like warm.
Like this is good for me. Like I don't trip. Like, but like for my wife, like,
oh yeah,
they want like she wants the AC to work like her 2015 Accord works. I'm like, no, like it doesn't work like that.
Yeah, it's not gonna work like that. But for one, it's just like they're already like the AC compressor, everything's so different from like newer cars.
Man, that window goes up so smoothly. See, like to me this is great, but to other people are like, oh no, like it's not cold enough. Oh no, this is great, and the car doesn't feel like it's sluggish after. Like I turned the AC on Jackie and she's just so slow, and I'm like, dude, like. Yeah, oh, and then I don't know if it does it to you, like when it comes to like a dead stop, like right now, it starts like sputtering, like it wants to die.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so I think maybe that's a battery.
No, it could be something else.
So like right here, it'll be like the RPM gets stupid low.
Yeah, well, mine does low, but it's not like too low.
Like my hands all shaky. People can feel the shakiness on my hand.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Don't make the mistake. Don't drink Monster and coffee without eating food. This is cool. I'm cool with this.
It's okay.
Cause yeah, like it's not super cold, but the thing is like, what do you expect?
Yeah, it's better than not having AC.
This freaking guy just starts grabbing the computer like, hey, let me do your job, because the guy didn't know how to do it. You're gonna get him fired, phone. You should ask if you're gonna get benefits too.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it.
Start requesting your time off already. Hey, you should work at Arrive.
I used to work on Arrive.
No, you should work again. After the 12 run to AutoZone, because somebody forgot every little piece every single time, finally getting installed. Now I would go and help him, but I have to keep a lookout for his dogs. If not, we came inside the house and the dogs rushed me, and I was like, "Whoa, Miguel!" I told Mata, I'm like, you know, my body's insured for like $500,000, bro. So don't even let him get next to me, bro.
Yeah, because he has all the clout.
I got all the clout. I looked at your dogs. I'm like, do you know how many followers I have? I'm like, you don't want to be biting me.
Do you even know me right now?
Do you know who I am? It's all bad. His prelude sounds exactly like Jackie before the exhaust leak. I don't know how they do that. I'm like, no, this is too much. I can't. Sí, para que digan que I do helpful. Ahí está. Más me muerde tu perro, güey. Chinga. Ahí está, mira. Tucked in. Sauce. It's made of carbon fiber.
Okay, wait, get the...
No?
Yeah?
It's made of carbon fiber?
Yeah, carbon fiber, bro.
Cool.
Carbon fiber.
60 pounds less.
Put that handle right there.
Esperate.
Ready?
Let's hear. I don't want to hear the whole different car. Still sounds like it has an exhaust leak, no? Like an exhaust leak right there somewhere. Sounds like the manifold has an exhaust leak now. Yep. The one that you charged me with, huh? For a new one?
No, don't we have a new one? Well, you still have it, right?
Okay. You told me like, oh no, that one's not leaking, remember?
Yeah, but...
Because according to him, he could hear the mechanic's ear. And then you put your hand around it and you're like, oh, I don't feel anything, I'm good. Yeah, mechanics. I think so. Just put this one, fool. Alrighty, wow, that was a long drive, an hour drive, and 90+ degree weather. The AC is on and off, so it's all good. But thank you, Francisco. I appreciate you making the time and Labor Day weekend to swap that exhaust. So I definitely appreciate you, man, and the laughs. And so thank you for the motivating words. Just having conversations is always good. To spend time with somebody who's like moving forward, thinking positively, growing, you know, as an individual. So thank you for that, man. I really appreciate your friendship. All right, now time to relax. Peace out, everyone.